Dallas County judges are pushing back against accusations they've not been doing their jobs, and they say what some Dallas County commissioners have been putting out is inaccurate information. Fox 4 Sean Rabb has our story. Sean.
Hey, good evening to you, Clarice. The pushback in the response of a video released this morning answering the claims by Commissioners Price and Koch that misdemeanor and felony court judges have not been working. Now, it was posted across social media this morning. Pastor Freddie Haynes is the voice of the video for a couple of reasons. First of all, he is advocating for these judges, but also there are strict Judicial Commission rules that regulates what judges can and can't say publicly, even in defense of themselves. But Haynes is their voice.
Let's speak truth to power.
It's the voice of Pastor Freddie Haynes speaking for judges who've been blasted by Dallas County Commissioners John Wiley Price and J.J. Koch for not working. Price saying there's a huge backlog and that the county could lose $50 million in criminal justice grants from the state if there's not a 90% disposition rate for cases in a rolling 5-year average by August 1st.
Our Dallas County judges have worked tirelessly to bring about much needed reform to the criminal justice system. Yet and still, they have recently come under attack. It's time to set the record straight.
Haynes points out the Texas Supreme Court suspended all jury trials March 13th, 2020. Dallas County not approved to resume jury trials until April 26, 2021.
Since then, they have conducted over 210 criminal jury trials.
Haynes says through technology, Dallas County judges continued court and cleared cases through COVID.
From the beginning of the pandemic to now, they have disposed over 69,895 cases. They never stopped working.
As the video is circulating across social media, this release with the names of all district court judges disputing Price's assertion of an outrageous case backlog and that Price and Koch are wrong and out of line. Quote, to the extent it's been alleged there are over 21,620 pending and active cases on the felony court dockets in Dallas County, that is simply not true. The criminal case backlog data being relied upon by Commissioners Court is inaccurate. We find it unconscionable that our commissioners would rely on this inaccurate data and place blame solely on the shoulders of the judiciary. Close quote.
Ladies and gentlemen, at the end of the day, it's still about the fact that you've got to be here in order to get it done.
Commissioners Price and Koch, the judge's main protagonists, complain some judges are not physically at work in the court's building, and that's where they want them, in chambers and on the bench.
But having the judges down there, having their courts fully open for business and allowing these pleas to take place, and the real pressure of a trial coming forward is going to be the way that most of this works out.
Now, maybe because of COVID, they haven't been there, and the commissioners think they need to be in those courtrooms for certain kinds of plea bargains and conversations to take place, but cases are being disposed of. Commissioner Price today said there were a little over 5,300 cases that had to be disposed by August 1st for the county to be in compliance with state regulations, adding, it looks like we're going to make it maybe even a few days early. Then he said, if the judges keep working. So this is a dispute that's not going to go away. Both sides are working and both sides taking offense at the other.